morning, everyone. Now I'm in the fast train station between the Chinese and Laos. Now we're in the train station we call Udom Sai train station. Look at it. We're gonna try for fast train station. It's first time for me. Let's see around. Very beautiful train station here. The behind train station, they have a mountain, very beautiful and nature. Now we cannot go to inside train station, cannot buy ticket because train station open 9 a.m. in the morning. So now just 8, we have to wait for 1 hour. We come early today. We scary because the first time we are in the train station in the Laos. We come early. Finally start coming and open for buy ticket. Now we go buy for ticket. Ticket from Udom Sai Station go to Wang Vien Station, 28,000 kip per one. After buy ticket, we go inside train station. Not so much people. We wait for trains coming. This train station very clean, huh? Have a little stone for buy something for eat or drink. We go see the bedroom. After we have to push by the left. Okay, time to check in. Train's coming. Okay. Oh, very beautiful train, huh? Wow. Wow, clean. Wow. Now you want to see here? Laos train. I don't know how to look.
包括厕所在内的所有地方，全程禁止吸烟，严禁携带危险品上车，请您遵守停车规定，文明乘车。
Okay, we leaving. If we go by the bus, about 8 hours from Udom Sai go to Wang Vien, but we go by the fast train, just 2 hours
ขอ
half.
ให้พนักงานนำกระเป๋าและเครื่องติดตัวของทานไว้และสั่งเก็บเงินเครื่องขันเคิงของพนักให้มันเที่ยงสำหรับจอกน้ำขันหงและเครื่องอื่นเน้นว่าให้เอาไว้ขันเคิงโดยให้请放在大件行李架处行李架上背包侧兜内的水杯雨伞等物品
Very beautiful view. The boat over there. We arrive in the Luang Prabang station. People get out, people get in. This is Luang Prabang train station.
ท่านผู้โดยสารเชิญทราบปัจจุบันพวกเขาได้มาฮอดสถานีหลวงพระบางขอให้ทุกท่านระมัดระวังขณะที่ก้าวลงจากรถสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่ยังบ่ฮอดสถานีเป้าหมายกรุณา
Okay, now we are in the Wang Bien train station. Pretty big here, different to the Udom size train station. So many tourists here. Now we're gonna go to the hotel.